Let's face it, workshops can get cluttered pretty quickly, making it hard to find what you need, when and where you need it. Rockler has a game-changing shop organization solution: the Pack Rack Mobile Shop Storage System. With multiple components and accessories, you can customize it however you want to fit your needs. And because it's mobile, you can roll it wherever you're working. The core of the system is the Pack Rack itself. At 58 inches high, with a 31 by 24-inch footprint, it provides lots of storage space without gobbling up a lot of floor space. Its A-frame shape and heavy-gauge steel construction provide a rock-solid base, and it comes with 8 tubular steel rods that can hold all the clamps you want to put on it. Large swiveling polyurethane casters roll easily across uneven floors, and you can lock 2 of the casters when you want the pack rack to stay put. 3 different sizes and types of trays are available: a 5-inch deep tray for small to medium-size items, an 8-inch deep tray for larger items and small power tools, and a tool tray with slots and holes that can hold screwdrivers, pliers, and even router bits and Forstner bits using Rockler's handy inserts. Because of the mounting bracket's design, the trays can be mounted either outside or inside the frame of the pack rack. If you use a shop vacuum, air compressor, or anything else that's a pain to haul around, add the perforated steel bottom shelf to take advantage of the space inside the pack rack, while allowing dust to fall through to the floor. There's a dedicated storage accessory for the other end of the pack rack too. The top cap is perfect for keeping glue bottles, safety glasses, and other small items out of the way, but within reach. And because it has a perforated bottom, dust won't collect in it either. To take advantage of the A-shaped space on the sides of the pack rack, you can add a set of 3 steel side panels drilled with the typical pegboard pattern. They can be installed on the same side of the pack rack, or they can be split up and mounted on either side. They accept common pegboard hooks and hardware, and because they're metal, they work with magnetic accessories too. And for those who have the Dust-Rite 650 CFM wall mount dust collector, there's a bracket that lets you mount the dust collector inside the pack rack to create a mobile dust collection unit. The bracket incorporates a small shelf on the back to provide even more storage, and includes a pegboard hole pattern and 2 hooks for holding the hose and Dust-Rite 4-inch quick change handle. Check out the Rockler Pack Rack Mobile Shop Storage System. Go to your local Rockler store or visit rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.